Buddha.
There you guys have it. Didn't think I was gonna make it this far with my brand, but I did. We are launching the Mark I Refinish Products Shine Pack. So this is almost everything you need in a package shipped directly to your door to ceramic coat your car by yourself right at home. Now you guys saw in the video, I was just using my $99 Bayer dual action buffer from Harbor Freight. Not expensive. Some really cheap, just basic 300 GSM cloths for, obviously taking off the compound, taking off the polish, taking off the ceramic coat. Most of your ceramic coating places or detailers for a buff and a ceramic coat, guys, you guys are gonna be like $1,000. They're gonna charge you about 300 to 400 bucks to buff your car out. They're gonna charge you another 300 to 500, sometimes even 700 for ceramic coat, depending on what ceramic coat you get, what quality. With the Shine Pack, a $99 buffer from Harbor Freight, and some towels, you guys can do it at home on your own for under 300 bucks. Everybody's gonna probably ask, why did I launch the Shine Pack? Okay, well here's the reason why. Number one, I've been in auto body and paint since I've been 17 years old. I've been buffing cars since I've been 17 years old. I learned how to, compound, polish, and finish car when I was in auto body school. So I've had knowledge of how to perform stuff like this, ever since I've been a very young guy. Just in the past couple years, I got, a little bit more back into detailing my personal cars. I started buffing them out, polishing them, with the polish and everything like that. And it just made more sense, guys, for me to just go ahead and just launch my own brand and have my own pads. Now I have hundreds of pads in stock. So every time I go and buff a car and want to try and make it look nice, I already have it in my inventory. I don't have to run out and go buy one. I don't have to order a buffing pad off Amazon. It's already there. As far as the ceramic coat goes, I got into ceramic coating about 2 or 3 years ago, started messing around with it a little bit, and the hype does live up to its expectations. This is far more superior than wax. Now, unlike, wax, wax you can kind of just put it on, put it off, don't have to worry about it. Ceramic coat, it is a little more tricky to apply. You do have to let it, dry for a little bit longer. Man, when it dries and it hardens up, it is nice. It will give your car that thin layer of just rock hard protection, protect against, bug, acid, the bugs and stuff like that, bird droppings, acid rain, things like that. It will repel a lot of those things. So you can get the Shine Pack delivered straight to your door, free shipping. You're gonna get 6 buffing pads. You're gonna get 2 compound pads, 2 medium cut pads, and 2 finishing pads. You're gonna get 3 bottles of ceramic coat, all for $119.99, shipped for free anywhere in the USA. If you guys have questions about it, please comment below in the video. I'm all for answers and everything like that. Great products. This is great for DIY use, and it'll help a lot of you guys get your cars shined up after you paint them. As a lot of you guys know, getting a car looking good isn't just picking up a spray gun and clear coating it. Sometimes, for those of you guys that are looking for show quality finish, it does require additional steps. It does require buffing. It does require polishing. Once you get done all that, to protect it, you want to ceramic coat it. That is why we launched the brand. So that's going to wrap it up for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed the launch of this new product. Like I said, comment below if you guys have any questions. Like, subscribe, new videos every week.